You're studying wrong, and it's not your fault. Most students waste hours and still forget everything by exam day. Let me show you the fix. You sit for hours, read the textbook, highlight everything. But during the test, blank. It's like your brain hit delete. Sound familiar? Here's what you've been overlooking. You never review your screw-ups, the questions you got wrong, the silly mistakes. You just move on. That's why they repeat in every test. Instead, start doing this. Make a mistake log. 1 page. Every time you mess up, write it down, not to shame yourself, to train your brain. Go over that log once a week. You'll start spotting patterns and locking in the stuff you always forget. It's not fancy, but it works like magic. And here's a bonus hack. Use spaced repetition. Review what you learned after 1 day, 3 days, and 7 days. It tells your brain, hey, this is important. Remember it. Try this for 7 days. If you don't feel smarter, I'll be shocked. And hey, if this helped, share it with a friend who's still using highlighters. See you in next video.